Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel seasoning at home. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start with 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of dried minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion. Finally, ensure you have 1½ teaspoons of coarse sea salt ready. Now let's combine these wonderful ingredients. In a small bowl, simply mix together your 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Then, add the 1 tablespoon of dried garlic and 1 tablespoon of dried onion. Stir in the 1½ teaspoons of coarse salt until everything is evenly distributed. Feel free to get creative with your blend. For a little heat, try adding 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you enjoy a more complex flavor, a ½ teaspoon of caraway seeds can be a fantastic addition. You can also experiment with different coarse salts, like Himalayan pink salt, for subtle variations. To keep your homemade bagel seasoning fresh, store it in an airtight container in a cool, dark pantry. It will maintain its vibrant flavor for up to 3 months. This versatile blend is perfect on bagels, of course, but also try it on eggs, avocado toast, or even roasted vegetables for an extra burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.